The world is changing. Money is changing. The way we think about and use money is undergoing a profound transformation. We are moving towards a digital future where physical cash is becoming a thing of the past, and cryptocurrency is at the forefront of this revolution. These digital currencies are reshaping the financial landscape. Imagine a world where you can send money across borders as easily as sending a text message. No more waiting days for international transfers. Imagine a world where you have complete control over your own finances. Without the need for intermediaries like banks, you are your own bank. This is the promise of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is digital money. It exists only online, in a virtual space. It uses cryptography, a type of advanced code, to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. This makes it incredibly secure. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. They operate on a peer-to-peer network. This means they are not controlled by any government, bank, or institution. They are free from centralized control. This decentralized nature gives cryptocurrencies several unique advantages. They offer financial freedom and privacy. Transactions are fast, often settling in minutes. No more waiting for days for your money to move. They're also global, allowing for seamless cross-border payments. You can send money anywhere in the world instantly. Moreover, cryptocurrency transactions are transparent and secure, thanks to the underlying blockchain technology. This ensures trust and integrity in every transaction. The concept of digital cash is not new. Early attempts to create digital currencies like e-gold and digicash emerged in the late 20th century. These systems faced challenges with security, scalability, and regulation. In 2008, a personal group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin to the world. Bitcoin's innovation was the blockchain, a revolutionary technology that solved many of the problems faced by earlier digital currencies. Bitcoin's launch in 2009 marked the beginning of the cryptocurrency era. It offered a decentralized, secure, and transparent way to transact value online. Bitcoin's success inspired the creation of thousands of other cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins. Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple are just a few examples of the diverse cryptocurrency landscape that exists today. To understand cryptocurrency, you need to understand blockchain technology, which is the foundation of all digital currencies. The blockchain is essentially a digital ledger that records every transaction made with a cryptocurrency. It records every transaction in a secure and transparent way, ensuring that all data is visible to everyone but cannot be tampered with. Imagine a public notebook where every transaction is meticulously recorded for everyone to see. Everyone can see the transactions, but no one can alter them, making it a highly reliable system. This digital notebook or ledger is not stored in one central location. Instead, it is distributed across a vast network of computers known as nodes. Each computer or node has an identical copy of the blockchain, ensuring consistency and security. This decentralized nature makes the system extremely secure and resilient to attacks. Even if one computer fails or is compromised, the blockchain remains intact and operational. New transactions are grouped together in blocks, which are then added to the blockchain. These blocks are added to the blockchain through a process called mining, which involves solving complex mathematical problems. Miners use powerful computers to solve these problems, competing to be the first to find the solution. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the next block to the blockchain, earning a reward in the process. This mining process not only adds new blocks, but also ensures the security and integrity of the entire blockchain network. Let's break down how a cryptocurrency transaction works. Imagine Alice wants to send some Bitcoin to Bob. Here's what happens. First, Alice initiates the transaction using her digital wallet. She enters Bob's public key, which is similar to a bank account number, and the amount of Bitcoin she wants to send. This public key is a unique identifier that ensures the Bitcoin is sent to the correct recipient. Alice also needs to ensure she has enough Bitcoin in her wallet to cover the transaction. Next, the transaction is broadcast to the network of computers known as nodes. These nodes work together to verify the transaction using cryptography and Alice's digital signature. This verification process ensures that Alice is the rightful owner of the Bitcoin she is sending and that she hasn't already spent it elsewhere. Once verified, the transaction is added to a block. Miners then compete to add this block to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and the first one to solve it gets to add the block to the blockchain and is rewarded with newly created Bitcoin. After a block is added to the blockchain, the transaction is confirmed. Bob receives the Bitcoin in his digital wallet. The entire process is typically completed within minutes, making it highly efficient. Bob can now use the received Bitcoin for his own transactions or hold on to it as an investment. This makes cryptocurrency transactions much faster than traditional bank transfers, which can take days to clear. The speed and efficiency of cryptocurrency transactions are some of the key reasons why they are becoming increasingly popular for both personal and business use. Section 5. Beyond payments. Exploring the diverse applications of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is more than just digital cash. It has the potential to revolutionize many industries. Here are a few exciting applications. Digital payments. Cryptocurrencies offer a fast, secure, and low-cost way to make payments online and in-store. Investments. Many people view cryptocurrencies as an investment opportunity, hoping their value will increase over time. Remittances. Cryptocurrencies can facilitate faster and cheaper cross-border money transfers, benefiting migrant workers sending money home. Smart contracts. These self-executing contracts automate agreements on the blockchain, eliminating the need for intermediaries. Tokenization. Cryptocurrencies can represent real-world assets like real estate or art, making them more liquid and accessible. Section 6. Crypto-friendly nations where digital currencies thrive. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving. Some countries have embraced cryptocurrencies while others remain cautious. The United States, the US has taken a generally positive stance towards cryptocurrencies, with regulations focused on investor protection and preventing illicit activities. Canada is considered a crypto-friendly nation, with clear regulatory frameworks for cryptocurrency exchanges and businesses. Japan was one of the first countries to recognize Bitcoin as legal tender, paving the way for wider cryptocurrency adoption. Switzerland is known for its crypto-friendly regulations and its Crypto Valley hub, attracting blockchain startups and investors. Malta has positioned itself as a blockchain island with a comprehensive regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Section 7. The potential of cryptocurrency revolutionizing finance and beyond. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money and finance. Financial inclusion. Cryptocurrencies can provide access to financial services for the unbanked populations around the world, empowering individuals and communities. Transparency and accountability. Blockchain technology promotes transparency and accountability in financial transactions, reducing the risk of fraud and corruption. Decentralization of power. Cryptocurrencies challenge the centralized control of traditional financial institutions, giving individuals more control over their finances. Innovation and efficiency. The cryptocurrency space is a hotbed of innovation, with new technologies and applications emerging constantly, leading to more efficient and accessible financial services. Section 8. Navigating the risks. Understanding the challenges of cryptocurrencies. While the potential of cryptocurrencies is immense, it's important to be aware of the risks. Volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can be extremely volatile, subject to rapid fluctuations that can result in significant gains or losses for investors. Security risks. Cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets can be targets for hackers. It's crucial to take security measures to protect your digital assets. Scams and fraud. The cryptocurrency space has its share of scams and fraudulent schemes. It's essential to do your research and invest cautiously. Regulatory uncertainty. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving, which can create uncertainty for businesses and investors. Section 9. Getting started with cryptocurrency, a beginner's guide. If you're interested in exploring the world of cryptocurrency, here are some steps to get started. Educate yourself. Learn the basics of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. There are numerous online resources, courses, and books available. Choose a digital wallet. Select a reputable cryptocurrency wallet to store your digital assets securely. There are various types of wallets, each with its own security features. Find a cryptocurrency exchange. Choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that operates in your jurisdiction and allows you to buy and sell the cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Start small. Begin with a small investment amount that you're comfortable with, and gradually increase your exposure as you gain experience and confidence. Section 10. Conclusion. Embracing the future of money. Cryptocurrency is more than just a technological innovation. It represents a fundamental shift in how we think about money and finance. While challenges and risks exist, the potential benefits of cryptocurrencies are too significant to ignore. As we move towards an increasingly digital world, understanding and embracing cryptocurrencies will be crucial for individuals, businesses, and governments alike.